Hey guys, it's Megan with Procida Tile. I wanted to talk today about the top 3 things that I would avoid when shopping for your new tile. The top one would be choice of material for a floor, especially a shower floor or a high traffic floor. You definitely want to avoid any ceramic material. Ceramic is perfectly fine for a wall, but you definitely don't want to use that in a high traffic area or a shower. You want to pick something a little bit stronger like a porcelain. Even marble is a good choice as well. Also, I would say to avoid glass for a shower floor as well specifically. I know a lot of people like it because it's like a mosaic and it's pretty. Just avoid it. It could crack. It's not a good thing to use, even though it's pretty. Why, it's great to come here is you have somebody to help you through it and make sure you don't pick something that's not going to last you. Second, I would say quality of material. Quality is a big factor as well when choosing tile. So you definitely want to go with a higher quality porcelain or a higher quality ceramic when picking a wall tile. Porcelain, again, there's all different levels. There's different PEI ratings that any vendor should be able to pull up quite easily. You come here to Procida Tile, we can really guide you through all the different levels of quality because one, your contractor is going to really appreciate it because you're going to have a lot less waste. When you go with those lesser quality options, like those big box stores, you're always going to need at least 20% waste because when they cut that, it just crumbles. It's unfortunate. So you end up typically spending the same amount because you need to order more tile versus if you just did it with a higher quality porcelain or ceramic to begin with, it's much easier to cut. You're going to have less waste. And the third would be, do not be afraid to go a little bit more bold. Say somebody's saying, oh, you can't use a large format in a small bathroom, like a 5x8 bathroom, which is very average. Don't believe that. You can absolutely do 24x48s, which are right behind us here, something in this size. It's going to make your room look bigger. Your standard 5x8 bathrooms with a bathtub, it looks incredible when you do the larger formats. It's way less grout. It's going to make the room feel taller and wider and just a lot more clean.